Don't argue. Don't argue. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Be polite. Be polite. Did you mind? Did you mind? What happened? What happened? Stop talking nonsense. Stop talking nonsense. Why did you go to there? Why did you go there? It is all my fault. It is all my fault. Wait here. Wait here. See you later. See you later. Are you out of mind? Are you out of mind? Console him. Console him. Are you sure? Are you sure? Where are you from? Where are you from? Did you trust me? Do you trust me? Where does he live? Where does he live? Look at me. Look at me. You are telling a lie. You are telling a lie. Why are you accusing me? Why are you accusing me? Try to understand. Try to understand. How do you know? How do you know? Where you are? How are you? Believe me. Believe me. Listen to me. Listen to me. He is blindfolded. He can't see anything. Go to him. Come here. What are you hiding? What are you hiding? Go there. Go upstairs. I am not scared. I am not scared. I don't know. I don't know. I don't care. I don't care. In hurry. Something or the other. From where? From there. For you. Who all? What to do? What to be done? Where all? How often? Where all? How often? Don't you go? Don't you think so? There is one way. There is one solution. From when? For a while. After taking the tea, I will call you. I have had my house constructed. Look at me. Look up. The thief ran away upon the arrival of police. Look down. Look behind. I consider Kashif as my brother. Look here. Look there. Thank you for watching. Please like video if you like the lesson और चैनल भी सब्सक्राइब करें अगर आप आइंदा में मुस्तकबिल में इस तरह इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग जुमले आप देखना चाहते हैं सीखना चाहते हैं तो आप बेल नोटिफिकेशन को भी दबाएं ताकि हर वीडियोस के बारे में आपको खबर हो। थैंक यू।